How's it going, guys? This is Clayton from Contemporary Auto, and I have a new unit that just hit. It's not pre-owned, it's pre-loved, and you can really tell by the condition of the vehicle. It's going to be this 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee Limited X. This Limited X is going to come with LED daytime running headlights and fog lamps down there as well. 360 sensors all around the vehicle and a very sleek look all the way through. And it's going to have a 4x4 powertrain that'll be accompanied by a nice set of Pirelli tires, and then these rims that can only come with the Limited X. And if I can move out of the way real quick, you'll see it'll have your wheel-to-wheel running boards. And in the back side, you're going to see it's going to come with your tow package, and you're going to have plenty of space back here as far as storage is concerned, plenty of room for cargo, and underneath you're going to see the full-size spare. This one's going to have plenty of capability. It's going to be in great condition, as you can see. You're going to have your black leather through and through, which is going to be very sleek, and it's going to be heated as well. Right here, you're going to see you're going to have your powertrain control, so it can take you through any terrain and be your best friend. As far as the steering wheel is concerned, it will be heated, leather wrapped, and it'll also have these metal paddle shifters, so you can carve up the road. You can reach out to me at any point, 603-213-5003, and I have it pulled up and ready for you and help minimize time with the dealership. Thank you for watching. Have a very blessed one.